How to use Instagram profile cards new feature on Instagram. Instagram's latest feature, now available globally, allows users to share their accounts through digital profile cards. These innovative cards feature a QR code linked to the user's Instagram handle, along with other profile information such as their profile picture and bio. Additionally, users can customize their digital cards to match their personal style or brand aesthetic. This feature, which was initially tested with select creators, offers a convenient and personalized way for users to share their Instagram accounts. Customization options for Instagram's new profile cards. Instagram has introduced new profile cards that allow users to personalize their profiles by adding links, a song of their choice, and changing the background image. These profile cards serve as digital business cards for Instagram accounts, making it easier to share information with others. The feature also provides a comprehensive overview of a user's interests and preferences. How to use Instagram's new profile cards. To get their profile card, users will have to head over to their Instagram profile and tap on Share Profile. From there, they can edit the elements of their card by tapping on the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. They can share the profile with friends or download it to post on other platforms. There's also an Add to Story option that generates a rotating two-sided card, which can be customized further.